In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the profile icon in Canva. Let's get started right from your Canva home screen. Go ahead and open Canva in your browser and make sure you're logged into the correct account where you want to update the profile. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile area there. Depending on your setup, this might show your current profile picture, your initials, or a default avatar. Click on that profile icon in the lower left. This will open a small menu or panel with several account-related options. This is where Canva keeps all the personal and account settings that control how your profile appears. From the menu that opens, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. If you're using a smaller screen or a different layout, it might say Account Settings or something similar, but it will still clearly mention Settings. Clicking this will take you to a dedicated settings page where you can manage things like your name, email, and of course, your profile image. Once you're on the settings page, pay attention to the section related to your profile details. This usually includes your name and the current profile picture or avatar. Next to the image, you'll see options such as change, edit, or sometimes a small icon that lets you modify or remove the picture. Now, simply follow the prompts that appear on screen. Canva might give you an option to remove the current profile image completely, reverting it back to a default icon, or it may guide you through replacing it with another image. If your goal is to remove the personalized photo, look specifically for a remove or delete option near the picture. Confirm any messages that ask if you're sure, so the change is saved. After you've followed these prompts, wait a moment for Canva to update your account. You should then see that your custom profile image is gone and has been replaced with the default icon or initials. If it doesn't update right away, try refreshing the page to make sure the change has been applied. And that's all there is to it. By clicking your profile icon, heading into settings, and following the on-screen instructions, you can quickly remove your profile icon in Canva